Hello friends, welcome to Daring Mariner YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about Indian Navy and European Naval Force hold first joint exercise. Let's see the news report. This is the report from the Indian Express. The same thing, the Indian Navy and European Naval Force hold the first joint exercise. This is the first time the Indian Navy and European Naval Force are joining in a military exercise, naval exercise. For more marine related topics, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Indian Navy and European Air Force conduct joint exercise in Gulf of Aden. Let's see where the Gulf of Aden is located. Yes, here it is, the Gulf of Aden. It is near the Somalia and Ethiopia, that region, Eritrea and all. Gulf of Aden. What's in the news? Look. In a first, the Indian Navy is participating in a joint exercise with the European Union Naval Force, that is UNIFAVOR. The stealth frigate INS Trigant participated in the two-day exercise in Gulf of Aden as it is already deployed in the region on anti-piracy operation. So we know that the region Gulf of Aden, Somalia and also piracy related areas. So they are for that operation that INS Trigant, the stealth frigate vessel, it is operated there for anti-piracy operation. The participants are the Indian naval ship Trigant participated in the exercise, which is currently deployed for anti-piracy operation. Total of 5 warships from 4 navies participated in the exercise held on 18th and 19th June. Other warships that participate in the exercise include Italian Navy ship ITS Caribrane, 2 French Navy ships FS Tondry and FS Sarkov, and Spanish Navy ship ESPS Navarana. What are the extra things we need to know about this military exercise? The virtual information sharing exercise is also being conducted between Indian Navy Information Fusion Center in Indian Ocean region and Maritime Security Center in the Horn of Africa. That is, which country is known as Horn of Africa? It's Djibouti. We know that this is a small country, Djibouti. That is known as Horn of Africa. This location is from Djibouti towards near Eritrea. It is extending from here this Gulf of Aden, this yellow spot to the Somalia and all. This is this country is known as the Horn of Africa. Not only this Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia, this will be commonly known as the Horn of Africa. Similar like a horn of a rhino and all. So that's why this place is known as the Horn of Africa. The main aim of this exercise, naval drill and all, to enhance and hone their warfighting skills and their ability as an integrator force to promote peace, security, and stability in the maritime domain in this region. So, main aim is to increase the peace, security, and totally increasing the maritime domain in the same region. What is significance? Correct significance of this drill. UNIFOR and Indian Navy converge on multiple issues, including counter-piracy operations and protection of vessels deployed under the Charter of World Food Programme (UNWFP). The two navies also have regular interaction through SHADE, that is Shared Awareness and Deconfliction meetings held annually at Bahrain. Let's see what are the major Indian military exercises. The SLINEX, that's for India and Sri Lanka. Bono Sagar and INBN Corpat with India and Bangladesh. JIMEX with Japan. Nasim Al Bahar, Oman. Indira, Russia. That is Zair Al Bahar with Qatar. Samudra Shakti, Indonesia. Indo-Thai Corporate, Thailand. IMCOR with Malaysia. SIMBEX, Singapore. OSINDEX, Australia. Malabar Naval Access with Japan and USA. Last year, French also joined in the Malabar Naval Access. For more related topics, do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more instant updates. Thank you.